A cool head turner that celebrates blue-collar swagger, this choice 1983 C10 capitalizes on timeless design and universal appeal. Whether you're a die-hard Chevy fan, an old-school truck lover, or just a curious buyer who's looking for something traditional, it's a cool classic that's sure to please. Wrapping midnight blue metallic two-stage around a detailed frame-up restoration, this super clean Chevy has spent all of its years right here in North Carolina. Decidedly intermediate when compared to today's massive full-size pickups, the truck sports a quintessentially boxy profile. That symmetrical style is augmented with polished mirrors, a color-keyed grilled, factory tint glass, tough bumper guards, and a vintage dealer plaque. And fit and finish is exactly what you would expect from a well-maintained family heirloom. Between the doors, tight blue vinyl dresses a broad bench seat that's centered in a tastefully appointed cabin. That throne faces a straight silver-trimmed dash, which founds fully rebuilt gauges over factory air conditioning and correct Delco GM audio. The driver spins a Chevrolet-branded steering wheel, and all of that retro goodness is framed in fade-free carpet and ornate crack-free door panels. Power comes courtesy of a stalwart 305 cubic inch LG4 V8 that, like the rest of the C10, is just as the factory intended. That engine is backed by a smooth turbo-hydromatic 353 speed, which makes excellent use of a tough 10-bolt rear. Whether it's simple nostalgia or their long list of extremely useful virtues, one thing is certain: trucks never go out of style. And when they're maintained this well, they seem to never fade away. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.